Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
Yo, I know. Wait, let me do my intro. Wait, okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by LUVME Hair Company, and I'm wearing braids. Like this is my dream. Okay, like I love braids so much, but I do not have the time to sit on the chair for 16 hours and again another 10 hours to take them off. I do not have the time. Okay, I do not have the patience. But LUVME Hair said, baby girl, means we've got you. Look at me. This is a wig. A whole wig.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips you touch.
So this is the box from LUVME Hair Company. It is written Love Me with a nice bow. Okay, so let me show you guys what is inside. We have something totally different and I'm excited for it. Okay, let me take it out. Let me show you all the goodies first. Okay. I'm so happy, I'm so excited. So they were kind enough to send me this wig storage bag. It is a branded beauty blender, a hair clipper, and of course this HD lace wig cap. So now hey, this is beautiful. Yo, this is beautiful. Okay. This is nice, guys. Look at this. This is a braided wig. Okay, straight out of the box, this is how it is looking. They did everything for you. It is nicely. These are knotless braids, and look at the construction, guys. I really have to show you. This is stunning. They bleached the knots. This is a full lace closure. As y'all can see, this is how it looks inside, and let me tell you, the lace is nice and soft, so which means this wig is going to be very comfortable. Okay, and wow, hey, this is beautiful. Look at the curls, the braiding. This is a boho style. Hey, no, LUVME Hair. You know what? I'm not going to be sitting down for hours doing braids. That is why you never see me with braids. But since LUVME Hair said, baby girl, we've got you, you're going to see me in braids. I'm telling you. So it has drawstrings so that you can be able to adjust the wig nicely. Yeah, no, it is nicely made. I don't want to lie. Look at this. You can literally see one scalp. It is nicely made. So you know what, I'm going to put it on and let's see how I'm going to look. I'm so excited for this. Wow. Okay, so I have the drawstrings. Wow, yeah, ne? Wow. Okay, wow. Okay, let me not get too excited. I have these drawstrings. I'm going to adjust them so that the wig can be nice and snug. Take the string and then hide it under your wig for extra security. Okay, so I'm going to shake my head. I look so pretty. I look so good. I'm even blushing. Can you believe it? So I'm going to shake my head to show you that this wig is nicely secured because of the drawstrings. See? Nicely secure. Wow. Yeah, no, LUVME Hair. I am speechless. You see, with this one, I'm really speechless because I mean, who doesn't want to do braids in 2 seconds? What? Look at this, guys. Look at how natural it looks. You can part it anywhere. Guysini, you can literally part it anywhere. Look at the construction of the wig. Can you guys see that? This is a close-up. Can you see that? Yo. Let me show you guys how it looks at the back. This is nice. Wow. Please do check the description box for more information and of course for direct links to get yourself this wig. I've got a discount code for you as well. Yo. Guys. I'm happy.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you're doing what you want.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow me on Instagram at curlymemes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous unit from Love Me Hair Company.